How to draw Krypto the Super Dog, step by step. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. So for the first step of drawing Krypto, we're going to begin by drawing the Superman logo dog tag. This will be on the right side of the page. The Superman logo that we draw will look similar to a diamond shape. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We post regular drawings every single day. Next, on the inside of the diamond shape that we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw the S. This is a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video if you have any issues. At the bottom of the logo here, we're going to draw a small triangle upside down. Next, we'll draw a small shape in the top left-hand corner of this diamond. Now right above the upside down triangle shape that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw a long, wide shape. Now right above this, we're going to begin to draw the largest piece of the logo. This is what really makes the S stand out, so be sure to be extra careful on this part. Now we still have one more piece of this logo to draw, which will be in the top right hand corner. This will be very small. Now if you're all done, let's continue. Next we're going to begin to draw the collar, which will be attached to the logo that we just drew on the right hand side of the page. The collar will look similar to a slightly curved rectangle shape. And on the inside of the collar, we're going to draw 3 small circles for detail. Now we're going to draw the 3 circles as I previously mentioned. We're going to distance them all pretty far apart. Nice! So far we're making great progress. Now we're going to begin to draw a long curvy line that will connect to the collar that we just drew. This long curvy line will be the top of the cape of Krypto. Now connected to this curvy line but underneath, we're going to begin to draw a second curvy line to help make the shape of the cape. And we'll make a third small curvy line on the very top of the cape that will be right next to the collar to make it appear as if the cape is blowing in the wind. So now we have the cape, collar, and logo drawn. Next we're going to go beneath everything that we just made and we're going to begin to draw the 4 legs of Krypto. We'll draw 2 curvy lines, one on each side, and the bottom of the foot will be fairly simple with 2 lines to help make the toes. Now on the inside of the foot, just as I previously mentioned, we're going to draw 2 small lines. This will give Krypto a total of 3 toes. Now we will draw the front of the chest. We'll use a curved line similar to a backwards C to connect the leg to the logo. Connected to this backwards C shape, we're going to begin to draw the second leg. We'll first draw a slanted line going down with a backwards C on the end to help make the paw. Now to finish drawing the outline of this leg, we will draw a second slanted line. Well done. Now let's use 2 more small lines going up and down to help create 3 toes on this foot just as we did on the last. Nice! So now we have the 2 front legs drawn along with the front of the chest. Now we're going to go to the back end and we're going to begin to draw the farthest back leg. We'll first draw a big upside down L. Now on this bottom point, we're going to make a C-like shape just how we did on the other foot, but this will not be backwards. But coming from the bottom point of the C that we just drew, we're going to draw a long curvy line to help make this leg. Awesome. Now let's drop down to the bottom of the foot and add in 2 more lines. So now before we draw the fourth leg and foot, we're going to use a curved line to connect these two legs on the left hand side. Now connected to this line in between these two legs, we're going to draw the fourth leg and foot. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists and Super Pets fans can also learn how to draw Krypto the Super Dog. Nice job. Now we're all done drawing the lower portion of the body. Now we're going to go right above the collar and we're going to begin to draw the head. For the first step, we're going to draw a big ear that looks similar to a curved triangle shape. We'll use a curvy line going down to connect the ear to the collar. So now we'll move a little bit over to the right. We're going to begin to draw the nose by making a sideways oval shape. We'll fill this in completely black. Great, now let's go ahead and fill this in. Connected to the top portion of this nose, we'll draw a small line going from left to right. Now beneath and connected to the nose, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. Connected to the line that we just drew, we'll draw a second small curved line that will look similar to a C. This will be the bottom portion of the mouth, and then we'll connect this to the collar. On the inside of the mouth, we'll draw a small curved line for the tongue, along with a small curved line going up and down to help separate the mouth closing off point. Well, I'm really happy with how my drawing is coming out so far. Now we're going to begin to draw a curved line that will be connecting from the ear to the line that we drew from the nose. Nicely done. Now we're going to begin to draw the eyes. For the first eye that we draw, we'll make a big black circle dot with a small curved line on the outside of it. The curved line will not go all the way around. Now right above the eye that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw a big thick eyebrow, which will go just right off the head of Krypto. Now on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the second eye as well as eyebrow, just how we did on the right hand side, although the left eyebrow will look a little bit different than the right. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so you can pause your video and match your colors. Now right beneath the left eye, we're going to add in a couple small lines for detail. Next, we're going to begin to draw the second ear of Krypto. This will be on the top right portion of the head, and we'll draw this in two parts. The first part will be as if the ear is pointing up, with the second part being a curved line attached to this. Now attached to this portion of the ear, we're going to draw a curved line. Now moving down to the left of the nose, we're going to draw three small circles for detail. Now last but not least, to finish today's drawing, we're going to draw a tail on the back end of Krypto. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like, and if you'd like me to see your drawing, then share it with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Don't forget to color this in by pausing the picture at the end of the video. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.